What's up guys, we're back with something different. So we've got some sweet chili halloumi kebabs. So this is what we're gonna need. Right guys, so let's get the veg prepped. So I'm just gonna cut these into cubes. You don't want them to be too small. Because we're putting them on skewers, you want them to be about that size. Veg to be cut evenly. Same with the onion. There we go. And then just finishing with this yellow pepper. And then finally the halloumi. So you just want to try and cut these into chunks as well. Alternatively, you could use chicken if you eat meat. You could use beef, you could use lamb. But we're just going to do a vegetarian dish today. Now that's chopped, let's get the halloumi marinated. So I'm just going to put the halloumi into a bowl. We've got the paprika, drizzle of oil, some of the sweet chili sauce. We're only going to use half of it because I want the half later on. And then we give this a good mix. Also a vegan alternative, you could use tofu. So that's the halloumi ready, so let's get this all skewered up. Onion, red pepper, a little bit of a different contrast. And then we go on with this. And then just repeat the process. So these can go on a barbecue, but I'm going to put them in the air fryer. So I've just damped the skewers just so that when it's cooking that the stick doesn't burn. Now they're all skewered up, we're just going to put a drizzle of oil on. Cracked black pepper, pinch of salt, and then we're just going to get this in the air fryer. So I'm going to put these in the air fryer on 180 degrees and I'm going to check in about 10 to 15 minutes to see where we're at. Right, they're done. So it took about 12 minutes, so I'm just going to get them out of the air fryer. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to glaze these with a little bit of the sweet chili sauce that we left. Just want a little bit, and just like that. I'm just going to do that to all of them. So now that's all done, we're just going to get everything plated up together. So I'm going to serve this with some nice flatbreads, some bistro salad and a nice spicy mayo. Just finish it off with a nice squeeze of lime.